Let's talk about how you manage your work with Claude. And this side of things gets a bit quirky, to say the least. Using projects and workspace management in general, well, they're not quite as smooth in Claude as in some other large language models. You end up with chats that you can't rename, and sometimes Claude overrules your instructions not to make artifacts, thank you, and you've got thousands of artifacts that you don't need. And you can't delete them without deleting the entire conversation, which you may not want to do. And on the analysis side, Claude can't process as many file types as ChatGPT can. And although it claims to handle data analysis, reality is it's fine for basics jobs, but it still struggles with anything too complex. Big data sets, detailed plots, even tough maths can trip it up, as I show in the full video. So Claude is good for coding, but for a no-coder interested in data science, it's just, well, it's a helpful sidekick, shall we say. It's not the main tool. ChatGPT is actually better, at least at the moment. Click the link below to see the complete video. That's part 3 of lecture 2, all about Claude. And if you want more practical insights, look at the entire playlist called The No Coder's Guide to Surviving Generative AI. And if you find the concepts in lecture 2 a little bit difficult to follow, then I advise you look at lecture 1 of the playlist first, because it lays the foundations for everything that comes later.